There are moments, situations and incidents that are unbelievable unless you see them with the naked eye. Fortunately, cameras have been able to document these moments. Watch this video until the end to see the unbelievable in the world of nature and animals. What you see may seem like a fossilized fish with no life in its body, but all it needs is some water to breathe again. It is a species of tropical fish with unique physical properties, as their bodies petrify after they come out to land, but they breathe again after being returned to the water. Watch this giant crocodile that entered the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest crocodile between 2011 and 2013. The crocodile was found in the Philippines and it amazed the residents with its large size and plump build. It is not a mouse or a small cat, but rather an albino squirrel that turns its fur white and its irises red. This squirrel has a very cute appearance despite its very red eyes. A strange-looking shark was found in 2021 while passing near Neptune Island, South Australia. Divers in that area noticed that the shark's body was covered with scars and wounds. There was no intact skin patch on the shark's body, and experts suggest that the cause of these scars may be due to the shark fighting a great white shark of the same species as this shark. There is no need to feel ashamed when watching this video, as beetles have special glands that rid them of body waste in an effective and fast way. This man was able to film a baby cobra snake while the egg was hatching and emerging from it. Did you know that the baby cobra snake has poisonous glands from birth? It also has fully developed fangs. The danger of its venom is similar to that of adult snakes. The wings of this insect look like two dangerous snake heads, but they are not. The insect is just a type of moth called the Atlas moth. Their wings look like snakes hiding among the trees, and this optical illusion protects them from predators. Speaking of trees, what you see are not moving leaves, but a type of insect that is common in Malaysia. They are called leaf insects because their shape and color enable them to camouflage themselves among the trees and avoid predatory animals or insects. Fishermen see all sorts of creatures during their fishing trips, but what this fisherman found off the coast of northern Australia was nothing short of amazing. The shape of the fish may be familiar to some fishermen, but what the fisherman found between its jaws surprised and shocked him. There was a poisonous snake being devoured by a fish, so the fisherman had to take the snake out of the fish's belly and return both of them to the water. Ninja turtles appear to be real. These turtles have a spiny shell and are a rare species called the vertebrate turtles. This armored shell helps it escape predators while some hunters in developing areas hunt it for its meat. This is why the species is considered endangered today. Meet this beautiful autumn-looking butterfly. This winged insect is called the kallima or oak leaf butterfly. This type of insect lives in tropical regions of Asia, such as India and Japan. The butterfly folds its wings to hide from predators. This is because the shape of its wings is similar to the shape of tree leaves. Here's a quick fact. Male giraffes are a full meter taller than females, but their heights can vary just as human heights vary. A female giraffe can be several centimeters taller than a male. During the dry seasons, fishermen search for live fish in the dry lakes, and the soil allows them to survive for a period of time before humans can remove them. Now, before we continue, we invite you, dear viewers, to subscribe to the channel and follow the new clips that we publish all the time. It is difficult to ignore this bird due to its strange haircut and bright yellow color. These singing birds first appeared in England and today live in the Canary Islands. These birds are raised as pets in various parts of the world. They are characterized by their sweet voices and cute, eye-catching shapes. Watch how this man struggled to save his dog after seeing his house burning. Fortunately, the man was able to get the poor dog out safely. Here is what genetic bird hybridization does. As these cute birds acquire a bright pink color that makes them look magical and imaginary. I am sure that bird lovers will want to get one of these birds. Sea creatures are smarter than we imagine. This video was filmed off the coast of Argentina. To the great uproar on social media platforms, as you can see, this huge whale swam close to a small boat driven by a woman. What surprised everyone was the whale approaching the boat and gently pushing it forward as if it wanted to greet the woman without surprising her. Do you think it wanted to greet her or wanted to examine the boat closely? Human ambition can cost them a lot, and animals are no different from us in this regard, as this gazelle got stuck on a water slide when it jumped towards it. It seems that it will not get out of this predicament easily. A team of researchers released these giraffes into the wild in Namibia after they visited a medical center. What is impressive is the agility of the first giraffe when it got out of the truck, as it seemed as if it did not face any problems during that, unlike the next two giraffes, as they found it difficult to get out of the truck. Fortunately, none of the giraffes were harmed. Goats are the best climbers ever. Look at their agility and speed as they play on top of these cars. Watch now this elephant as he shows off his intelligence and sense of humor as well. This unique moment was filmed in one of the nature reserves in Zimbabwe. It seems that the elephant wanted to try the hat on himself, so he pulled it with his trunk and tried it. He then put the hat back in its place very politely. This gazelle doesn't seem to run away from humans, but rather chooses to confront them instead. We've discovered a new species of pet. This lizard acts just like a domesticated house cat and seems happy to see its owner. Despite its large size, the lizard has a sweet and friendly demeanor and wears a big smile on its face as the owner pats its head. It's a common fear among children that monsters hide under the bed. Well, here you can see the most common mattresses. It may be old and shabby, but it's very ordinary. It all starts when the man in the video proceeds to open it, and then we can see inside. There is a whole nest of giant snakes hiding there, about 50 of them according to rough estimates. The reason for choosing such a place is quite obvious, as it is warm and snakes are cold-blooded creatures. So reptiles have to constantly search for warm and secluded places for shelter, otherwise they won't have enough energy to eat or move. In addition, when it gets too cold, the snake's immune system will simply stop working normally. So it will most likely die from an illness. In short, if you have a home somewhere in Australia, you should check the warmest places in your home to avoid unforeseen discoveries. Do you think dolphins are peaceful? Watch what this dolphin did to a surfer. It seems that the dolphin planned this jump and deliberately dropped the surfer. Now let's take a look at one of the pictures that has gained a lot of attention on social media. This picture was taken in Indonesia. It shows an 8-meter-long snake that was found in a palm oil field on the island of Sumatra. The predatory snake tried to attack the villagers, but they were able to kill it and photograph it. It is a tragic end for this wild snake. This strange incident took place in Thailand, where this reptile appeared in a shopping mall. However, you see it as a reptile called the Komodo dragon. It is widely spread in the southern and eastern parts of the Asian continent, and the animal has caused a huge mess as it has knocked down many carefully arranged food products from their shelves. Finally, you may think that monkeys are obsessed with bananas, but they are obsessed with many other things as well. As you can see, a group of monkeys pounced on a suitcase and emptied it and explored its contents. Someone had to tell these monkeys that stealing is unacceptable. But it seems that the curiosity of these monkeys prevented them from restraining themselves, and each of them seized a special ornament from the bag. This is where our meeting with you ends, friends. Tell me, was this video enjoyable? If so, tell me in the comments and press the like button now. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now to be a permanent friend with us and to follow everything new. Bye.